Let's practice speaking in English with each other right away. I'm going to ask you questions in red. You are going to answer me in blue. Ready? Let's start. How do you spend your evening time? Good. Now tell me, in which direction does the sun set? Correct. Now say something about dogs in one sentence. That's great. How does your sister run in the morning? Okay. What is your favorite color? Now tell me something good about your brother. Okay, now say something good about mornings. What time do you have your dinner? How is the weather today? Do they attend school daily? Okay, that's all. Bye.